Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can convert your hosting or site to WordPress. This is something I didn't see before and I think it's updated to video. So you're gonna have three dots here on the more settings, and there you're gonna find export content or WordPress. But it's important to say is that what can be exported: text, images, pages, blog posts, files from media library, but you can't export site styling and layout. So how it looks right now, the design, you're not going to have it. Online store, integrations, forms and collected submissions, and SEO settings. And then what you have to do is that you already have a WordPress base set up. If not, you can set up one and Hostinger by following this guide. Then you're gonna add like WordPress. The WordPress version must be 5.6 or higher. Reset your WordPress website permalink structure to post name as in step 1 this tutorial. So you're gonna want to go to permalinks, post name, and then you're gonna have export content to WordPress. Insert the destination domain name that's already linked to your WordPress website and clicked on start export. And that's it. That's how we're gonna export it. So that's for the exporting it and how we can do it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.